Hi guys, Bobby D here from Bobby D Online Marketing. Welcome to my video today where I'm going to show you how you can make $10 a day with no job. In fact, you can make more than $10 a day. You can make $10 as many times as you want throughout that day. It's a new method. It's a new site I found. I've done some research on it and it looks really, really good. And I want you guys to be the first ones to try it out. So what will you learn in this video? I'll show you the exact site you need to go to sign up. I'll show you how you can earn daily money. It's a 100% free method and it is newbie friendly. Anyone can do it. And it's all about doing little quick tasks. Some of them are 10 seconds long. Some of them are 10 minutes long. The longer, the more money you get paid. The shorter, the less. But the less, the more you can do. You get where I'm going from. It's a really good site. Now, before I go anywhere, guys, can you do me a massive favor, please? Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Why? That way you get to see my content first. I will send you my daily videos to you first. You're the first ones to see them, all right? That means you get the first to try them, the first to make money, all good. Now, I'm doing one other little thing today. I'm going to give you some free training, guys. If you look below the comments below, all you've got to do is hit this link here, get my free training. It's free. You don't even have to sign up. There's 7 videos to watch, all about affiliate marketing and how you can make money online. It really is easy when you know how. And I want you guys to do it. My mission is for everyone out there to make money online. Once you know, it's easy. Honestly, it really is easy. So this is my how to make $10 with no job method. And let's jump into it. So this is the website and it says get paid for your opinion. It's simple. We help people make decisions. Now I'm logged in. So there's various little jobs that you can do. You can listen to some music. You can look at some videos, some fashion ideas. Oh, that's grayed out at the moment. Or lucky dip. Okay. So first thing you need to do is sign up. I'm already a member, so I can't, but you just hit the sign up button. Fill in your details. It's literally name, date of birth, email address, password. Now your email address has to be the same one as your PayPal account because you get paid via PayPal for this method. All right, they have to match up. You'll then get a confirmation email. Once you get that confirmation email, you are off and running. All right, so really important that you do that. So what are the little things that you can do? So let's have a look at music. If you hit review music, so artists, companies, advertising companies will put little music on here and then you have to rate it to see what you think. So let's have a little listen. I know you want me. Every day not only when you're alone. It's got better. So that could be an up-and-coming artist. And what they do is they put their music out in here to see what the scope is, what people think of it. Excuse me. So a couple of things you need to do here. You have to listen to 90 seconds before you submit your review. It knows, all right? If you get bored of it, just play it and go and make a drink, get some water or something, and then come back. So you need to write quite a full review in there, all right? So don't just write 2 words. You need to be writing 50, 60 words in there. But you know what you can do? Go and have a look on the internet. Find a website that reviews music. Change it around a bit. Put it in there. Give it a rating out of 10, whatever. Is this piece of music was a person? To what extent would you describe them? As in, do they fit the music? Is it gentle, happy, honest, innovative, peaceful? And that is it. And you submit it and then they review it. Now, for jobs like this, the pay is quite low, okay? These stars here, the higher you get, the more reviews you submit, the more money you get paid. So these ones pay between 5 and 10 cents, but it's for 90 seconds work. You can fill this out in 1.5 minutes, okay? 10 of those for $1. It's not a lot of money, but it's worth persevering with this because this does go up and soon you'll be making $10, $15, which is where the big money is, but you'll be doing longer reviews. So that's a music one. Let's go back so have a look at the next one. The next one is product videos, and again these are all companies that are putting stuff out. It says video reviewing is slightly different. You rate the video as you watch it. All right, yeah. So basically, you move this up and down as the video goes, and then you rate it. 0 being no good, 10 being the best. So I don't know what this one is. Let's have a look.
Hello, Kickstarter. I'm Tim. A couple of years ago,
so as that's going, you'd rate it. So you'd bring that
after a busy day, and I realised
down
just
to
how
there.
much of my life I wasted trying to get to sleep. On trains, on planes,
2 minutes long.
and in my own bed.
You can then say, right, that bit I like, I'll give that 6, I'll give that a 10, whatever you want.
Fit in my busy lifestyle and didn't involve drugs or earplugs. This inspired me to create Cocoon, the world's first sleep-sensing headphone that helps you relax.
So that is how you do that. Now, you're probably wondering what the website is. It's slicethepie.com, all right, slicethepie.com. And then you've got this section here called Lucky Dip. You hit that, and it'll give you. It might give you music. It might give you fashion. It might give you an app to look at. Whatever. Well, that's the same music. So that is the website, really, guys. You also get a thing called Refer a Friend. You get a commission for every time you refer someone. That is your affiliate link. They're individual to each person. And then you get 20% of their earnings for 60 days, and then 10% after that for life. So you put this link out, you're going to make some serious wedge. Really good. That is another really, really good way of making money. You know, put that on your Facebook link, on your website, and everyone that signs up and starts using it, you are going to make a slice of their money. And that is what it's all about, making money. So slice the pie, guys. There are some facts, actually. You can see how much money people have earned, over 5 million. Everything is paid via PayPal. Yep, you get paid with over 10 million reviews submitted and paid out over 1 million to our reviewers. The minimum payout is $10, just to let you know, but you can easily get there. And the higher star rating you get, the more money you get paid. It is that easy. All right. Everything's paid out on PayPal. Just make sure that it matches up to your email address, and they pay out Tuesdays and Fridays. They pay out in US dollars. I think that's about it. And then obviously you've got the referrals, which we spoke about, and you get commissions for that. Love it. Really simple method of making money. Anyone can do this. It works anywhere in the world, which is the other good part. You can do this anywhere you want, and it's just a really, really easy website to use. So that is it for this video, guys. So make sure you try that. Now, I get asked every day, what is your #1 way of making money online? Now, for those of you that know me, you know, I've released a product called Fiverrlicious, which is all about making money on Fiverr. I've sold over 2,500 copies of it. It's absolutely up to date, and it works a treat. And I just want to quickly show you that now, because every day I'm getting emails about it. There's a link below here. Just click the link, and that will take you to my product called Fiverrlicious. Now, this is all about making money on Fiverr. Even if you've never made money before, I will show you exactly what you need to do from start to finish. Now, the best bit I'm doing about this today is I've reduced it. I normally sell this for $47, guys. I've sold 2,500 copies of it. I'm doing it today for $9.97, right? I'm not doing it again. I've reduced it to get everyone in as much as I can. And I'll show you how I made $6,446 on Fiverr. It's 5,000 UK pounds, right? That is my personal account. I'll show you everything that I do. I'll show you what gigs I sold. I'll show you where to get them, how to do it, how to put them together. Now, the best bit is I never, ever, ever made any of these gigs myself. I outsource absolutely everything, all right? Everything. And you can do it too if you just follow my method. There's a load of videos in there, 8 videos I've put together. That's my launch partner, Trevor. And I'll show you how I am buying these gigs for $1 from a site, a website, and then I'm selling them for $5 plus. There are some reviews here. These are big affiliates: Demetrius, Samuel, Michael, Dominus. You know, some great reviews there, guys. and I want you to jump on board it. If you want a business in a box, and this is a business, this is a full-time business, jump on Fiverrlicious. So that's it from me. I really, really appreciate listening to me. Please, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the bell for me. I'd really appreciate it. Little subscribe button there. And I'll see you soon on my next video. I'm Bobby D. Catch you later.